Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name is Corey with Paragon Performance. Today we're going to be unboxing the most affordable C8 Corvette Stingray and potentially E-Ray catback exhaust to really wake up your car. Well, there's the MBRP exhaust completely unboxed, excluding only one out of the 4 tips. All 4 tips are going to be of a 4.5-inch outer diameter visible carbon fiber with a polished inner shell. The exhaust is a MIG weld track pipe unit. Again, there is no muffler, no restriction at all. So this is going to be one of the loudest catback systems that you can put on your C8 Corvette. New to MBRP is they are including the exhaust valve simulators. Those are a requirement to make sure you have no check engine light, since this is a non-valved unit. Being a non-valved unit, when the vehicle goes into 4-cylinder mode, you will hear kind of a back pressure-like sound, and you will lose any valve control function from a factory NPP exhaust. Not really that big of a deal. We've been running our Stingray, which does look like a Z06 right now, with a non-valved exhaust for the last 4 years. We don't complain or care about it or anything. So if you're looking for a super affordable option to make your car louder, this is a great option for you. So that's going to consist of the MBRP unboxing video. If this is something that you'd like and you'd like us to do more of, please leave that in a comment below. As always, make sure to like, subscribe, comment, and we'll see you next video.